Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to increase HP in Pokémon Go. To increase HP in Pokémon Go, make sure you have a Pokémon whose HP you want to increase. Launch open the Pokémon application and make sure to catch Pokémons. After catching the Pokémon, the next thing you want to do is to gather enough candy and Stardust. From the homepage of Pokémon Go, tap on the Pokéball icon at the bottom of the screen and tap on Pokémon. Now you will be able to see the list of Pokémons on your screen. Select the Pokémon whose HP you want to increase. After you do that, you will then be able to see the Pokémon's info section. Tap on Power Up from the menu. Now, select the number of Stardust or candy you want to use for the Pokémon. Now click on Power Up. Click on Yes in the pop-up, and then this will increase the CP as well as HP for the chosen Pokémon. The higher the level, the more HP your Pokémon has. Evolving your Pokémon can increase its base stats, including HP. Use enough candy to evolve and then continue powering up for maximum HP. So that's how you can easily increase HP of a Pokémon in Pokémon Go. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I'll be back in the next video. Thank you for watching.